All right, finna get ready to clean this one up. This one came to us as a cabin chassis, and it has just got back from the shop getting a utility bed put on it. I'll be doing a walk around video of this one after I get it cleaned up, pictures took, and all that kind of stuff. But right now, just getting ready to give it a little quick wash. Just letting you take a look at it before we get ready to wash her up. It's turned out pretty good. Nice utility body. Flip top boxes. But this is her right before we finna give her a detail real quick.